Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm excited to show you this pre-owned Puma XLE. It is a 2019, but they kept it in a wonderful condition. So I'm excited to show you. You guys let me know if you have any questions or you want to come see it. My information is below, but let's start from the outside and come in and go from there, and you let me know what you think. All right, let's go. We got a Puma XLE Light. It is a 2019 and the model is 18FBC. It is metal and no slide. It does have an awning, and this is a shorter unit, but if you're looking for something to go camping in, this is a great camera. It's got your backup camera prep as well. Got speakers outside, but let's take a look inside. All right, so like I said, they kept it in great condition. It looks really, really nice. Okay, so over here we've got our master bedroom area. You've got some privacy curtain right here, a beautiful window in the back, windows on the side, and plenty of area on each side to put whatever you might want to put, but also just to climb up in there into the bed. And you got storage up here, storage on each side. Get a little light as well, but I love that window in the back. I like that you can cover it, but I love that you have the opportunity to open up, let the natural light in, and then just look at your, wherever you might be, mountains, beach, wherever. All right, guys, so over here we got our dinette. Of course, it can go into a bed. The material actually is in great condition. I am not sure if it's new or not, but it looks new. But again, it can go into a couch, it can go into a bed. Of course, it can just be a dinette. You've got a nice big window over there, and then storage right above. You've got your entertainment right over there. And then you have a nice long kitchen. I love how long they made this kitchen. Even in this short unit, they did a really good job by putting the bathroom in the very back and extending this counter space. I love it. So you've got your refrigerator right here. Now let's see if I can open it. There we go. All right, so plenty of refrigerator area, especially in this unit. It is a smaller unit, but you do have enough space in here if you want to get out, go camping, enjoy your vacation. This is a great unit. And then you got a lot of counter space. You got a little sink right here, a 2-burner. You got a microwave as well, and you do have lots of storage area, which is really nice. I love to see storage. I like this little backsplash thing right here. It's very nice. And then you got your window outlets over here, so maybe you have coffee that you want to set up. Perfect area right there. And we got our bathroom in the back. And like I said, I like that they put it back here because they made it all the way across. So more storage right here, which is awesome. Very nice, very nice. So plenty of storage in here. You got a tub and a nice size shower with that natural light coming in. Plenty of space in here. They did a really good job, I think. And again, it looks really, really nice. It really does. So if you're looking for something, a coach that you're just wanting to get out there and go, this is a great, actually, I mean, even if you're looking to live in something, this is such they kept it in great condition. So this unit is going for $13,900 right now. So I know that it's going to go extremely fast because, again, it's in great condition, and it really does have enough room to walk around, to not feel crowded, and it feels nice in here. It really does. So if you want information, call, text, email, let me know. Again, it's going to go. We're in Waco, so call, text, email. But until next time, guys.